Hi, I'm Dr. Devyani Barve, a plastic and cosmetic surgeon in Mumbai. If you have struggled with acne scars, open pores, early wrinkles, or uneven skin, you've probably heard the name Morpheus 8. Today, I'll explain what Morpheus 8 actually is, who it helps, what to expect during and after treatment, and what it cannot do, so your expectations stay realistic. Morpheus 8 is a fractional radiofrequency microneedling device. Now, that's a lot of big words. What does it mean? It means that it uses tiny needles to penetrate the skin, and at the same time, it delivers controlled radiofrequency energy into the deeper layers. This energy stimulates new collagen and elastin, remodels the scar tissue, and tightens and improves skin texture over time. Compared to classic microneedling devices, Morpheus 8 can go deeper into the skin than any other device available. It has no risk of hyperpigmentation even in darker skin types. And the added RF energy makes it far more powerful for scars, laxity, and texture improvement. In my practice, I use Morpheus 8 for atrophic acne scars like ice pick, rolling, or boxcar scars, enlarged pores, early fine lines and wrinkles, mild skin laxity of the lower face and neck, and irregular texture on the cheeks or jawline. It can be used on the face, neck, and certain body areas with creepy skin. Because it's RF based and not laser treatment, it's often safer for dark Indian skin types when done correctly. Here's what happens during the session. Cleanse your face and apply a topical numbing cream. After adequate numbing, we use the Morpheus 8 handpiece to deliver energy in a controlled pattern. You'll feel pressure, some amount of heat, and small pinprick sensations. Most patients find it manageable and tolerable with good numbing. A session takes about 20 to 40 minutes depending on the area. Immediately after, your skin may be a little red, slightly swollen, and may have tiny dot-like marks which may be visible for a day or two. Recovery usually looks like this. Day 1 and 2, you will have redness, some swelling, and a warm feeling. Light makeup is okay, but sunscreen is mandatory. Day 3 to 5, you may notice some mild flaking, a little roughness as the outer layer renews. Most people are able to go back to their normal routines after day 3. Deeper treatments, however, may take a little longer. We give you precise, gentle skincare instructions, strict sun protection guidelines, and supportive products to minimize the risk of pigmentation. For acne scars, most patients need around 3 sessions spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. Very deep scars may need more sessions or some other treatment combinations. For pores, texture, and glow, 1 to 3 sessions may be enough. Results build gradually. You may see improvement in a few weeks, but maximum collagen remodeling takes 3 to 6 months after your last session. Compared to other treatments, Morpheus 8 goes deeper and is stronger than basic microneedling because of the radiofrequency generated heat. Off-the-counter available microneedling and radiofrequency devices cannot give this kind of precision and safety. Chemical peels treat surface layers and are great for pigmentation, but do not work on deep scars and have a risk of hyperpigmentation. Laser resurfacing can help but carries a higher risk of hyperpigmentation in Indian skin. Often the best results come from combinations like Morpheus 8 with some hyaluronic skin boosters or Morpheus 8 with fillers for tethered scars. We can also use fat grafting for such tethered scars, or Morpheus 8 with RF tightening in selected areas. But it's important to understand its limitations as well. Morpheus 8 improves acne scars, but it cannot erase them completely. If you expect glass-like skin after one session, you will be disappointed. Deep, long-lasting scars usually require multiple treatments and patience. Proper settings are critical. We avoid or modify the treatment in patients with active infections, certain skin disorders, and uncontrolled medical conditions. You may be a good candidate if you have old acne scars that make you conscious. You're noticing pores, fine lines, or mild sagging, and you're willing to follow sun protection seriously. You're willing to commit to multiple sessions and wait a few months for the collagen to build. We always begin with a detailed skin assessment, photographs, and some discussion of your past treatments. It's important to remember that of all the treatments available for improvement of skin, the deeper you go, the better and long-lasting will be your result. But there are no shortcuts when it comes to good skincare. If you are giving energy into the depth of the skin where the actual problem is, you will take time for the results to show. Don't expect immediate results because immediate results often don't last for a long time. When we heal your skin from within, the results take time, but they will last for a long, long time. Morpheus 8 is one of my favorite tools for treating acne scars, pores, and early aging changes, especially for Indian skin, because its safety profile makes it virtually resistant to hyperpigmentation, offers deep collagen remodeling, and not just basic microneedling, less downtime than many aggressive lasers, and long-term texture improvement with patience and proper care. But like any technology, it's only as good as the indication, the settings, and the technique. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more science-based skin and cosmetic information.